jubira muje nangwa busa ikwangura Banyineemu samura nangwa busa tukaba twagenda twekirana bahuma nangwa busa bahuma batuligire biruka birungi nangwa busa ebiruka birungi bibaire kuba byange nangwa busa wamura tugaruke nangwa tugende nangwa busa tukaba twagenda twekirana bulemu nangwa busa ikwangura lisayuha nayo nalisimba nangwa busa ikwangura
mwebalo kwija abarozi baitu Abakitara TV akero kino endakanza yaitu egenda kuba Banyineemu rundi Abagiza ensoni. Banyineemu ni Kumanyisa siblings, Abagiza ensoni nibo tubeta ba in-laws. So mwikare muhulirize. So tugenda kutandika na ekigambo nanka sisters. So but sisters in Orunyakitara, if sister referring to another sister aija kugamba nyakaitu, that is a sister to a sister. So over mojo no ita sister wawe tosa kugamba nyakaitu. So sister na sister niwa bakosa nyakaitu, kandi even a sister to a cousin na wasa kugamba nyakaitu, even if it's a step sister na sa kugamba ogu nyakaitu wange. So sister to sister bakosa nyakaitu. If you want to gamba her sister ujagamba nyakabu. If you are referring to your sister ujagamba nyakanyu. So bino ebigambo inakubyetegeza kurungi because abantu niba bihindura. So sister na ita sister we ondi gamba nyakaitu. Ikindi is brother na ita brother, you know. So if I have a brother ningenda kumuramucha njagamba oba ni I'm referring to my brother, I will say ogu mwene waitu, you know, or maybe ogu mwene wangu, that is my brother, you know. When you want to say his brother, no gamba ogu mwene wabu. If you want to say your brother, mwene wanyu. So tune bigambo bisatu byona referring to one thing. So a little bit tricky, but to mpora ibigambo nitujja kubyega. Kandi omojo na referring to a sister, or sister referring to his brother, you know. So it's on you and takanza yetu. So if I'm referring to my sister, njagamba ogu munyanyazi, you know, that is my sister. Even if it is my cousin sister or my stepsister, njagamba ogu munyanyazi. If I'm saying his sister, referring to somebody else's sister, I'll say ogu munyanya. Ogu munyanya ogu, you know. If I'm saying that is your sister, I'll say ogu munyanyoko. So tune bigambo bisatu byona they refer to sister by two, no, because depending on the situation, his, my, or yours. So ikigambo kindi which is very interesting is the niece and nephews. So in customs of Kitara, omwana azalirwe, like the brother, the son or daughter of your sister, because they are in another clan. so babeta abaihwa, you know. So your niece and nephews of your sister tubeta abaihwa. But to the niece and nephews of your brother, they remain abana. The reason is because bali abana ba sister wawe baba bagenzere mu kike kindi. They have gone to another clan. So that's why babeta abaihwa kandi abasigaire mu kabeta abana. So reka tumuremu tugaruke ne kicoke cyete cya kabiri. Mwebara abarozi ba Kitara TV.
You make me sing dan dan din dan dan da. Dan dan din dan dan da. Dan dan din dan dan da. It takes my breath away. Dan dan din dan dan da. He's a superman, a lovely man, and a Banyineemu. A caring man, surprising man, morning rainbow. He's a reason why I keep a smile on my face. Just like Jack and Rosa floating over the boat. He is my baby boo 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 boo. Yumiro mulinga kwata kwata. Akira obaliba walokaida. Aisa na banu baba wakanda. Yumiro mulinga kwata kwata. Akira obaliba walokaida. Aisa na banu baba wakanda. You make me sing dan dan din dan dan da. Takes my breath away. Dan dan din dan dan da.
Mwebagaruka abarozi ba Kitara TV kandi hire akakazina kabasemiza. So reka tuengere ne kicoke cyete cya kabiri. Ikigambe kindi za naka tugenda uncles. So uncle or paternal uncle, but we have paternal uncle, paternal aunt, maternal uncle and maternal aunt. So paternal uncle ni Kumanyisa your father's brother, you know, the brother to your father, tumweta tuta, you know. So Isento is basically it's not in every gambo bisatu. You can say his uncle, which is Isento, your uncle, which is Osonto, and maybe you can say Swento, your uncle. In southwestern, bine bigambo bihinduka mukataito bakosa Ishento, Tatento na Shwento. So kino kigambo nosakosa nogamba nka maybe you're having conversation with your mom and nosagamba or your dad. Nosagamba or hota tat Isento nyowe alohata, you know. Hello dad, how is my uncle? And your uncle will say, Swento alikurungi. So you can't reply and say Isento. Agarukam Swento, meaning your uncle is fine. So that's where the trick comes in, that you say Isento, but your dad will reply Swento, you know. A kindi is your paternal aunt, you know. That is the sister to your father. Ogu tusakumweta Isenkati, Osonkati, Rundi Swenkati. In southwestern, Kihinduka mukataito, they say Ishenkati, Tatenkazi, or Swenkazi. So kinegamba nosagamba, if you're having a conversation with your dad, nosagamba, or hota tata, Isenkati nyowe, alahata. Hello dad, how is my aunt? You know. Your dad will say, Swenkati alikurungi. Your aunt is doing fine. So let's go on the maternal side. So in the maternal side, that is the brother to your mom, tumweta tuta, you know. Tunebigamba bisatu. There is Marumi, Ninarumi, Rundi, Nyokorumi. which is my uncle, his uncle, or your uncle. So if you're having a conversation with your mom, so bine bigambo so kukosa nkoti. Orohota mama, marumi alhata. Hello mom, how is my aunt? Then your mom ajagorkam, nyokoromi alikurungi. Your aunt is doing fine. The kigambo kindi is your maternal aunt. That is the sister to your mother, you know. Nosagamba mawento, nyinento, or nyokonto, you know. So if you're having a conversation with your mom, you can say orohota mama, you know. Mama wento alhata. Hello mom, how is my maternal aunt, you know. Your mom najagarkam nyokonto alikurungi. You can't say mama wento alikurungi, agarkam nyokonto alikurungi. So it's a linguistic challenge when it comes to these things, but that's why, you know, tunyende Kwegesa olulimi lwaitu okumanya bino ebigambo bikozesadi kandi what's the response. Ekindi katugende in-laws rundi abagiza ensoni. So father-in-law tumweta tota, you know. Father-in-law anawutu ebigambo bisatu. My father-in-law ajja kuba tata Zara. His father-in-law will be Isezara, and your father-in-law will be also Zara, you know. So kine gambo kosa no gamba, maybe I'm having a conversation with either my wife or my girlfriend. I can say maybe orohota aboki, tata Zara alihata. Hala aboki, how is my father-in-law? Yeah, then ajagarukamu osozara alikurungi, you know. The king is a mother-in-law. So mother-in-law tumweta tuta, you know. And also in the bigambo bisatu there is mazara, nyinezara, nyokozara. So nakine gambo nosakosa no gamba nka orairota, maybe a conversation with your spouse, you know. Orairota aboki, mazara alhata. Good morning aboki, how is my mother-in-law? Then aboki jakara nyokozara alikurungi. Tajagarukamu mamazara jakara nyokozara alikurungi. Your mother-in-law is fine. Egambe kindi is in-law. Is nanka your brother-in-law. That is the brother to your spouse, you know. So ogu tumweta muramu rundi muko, you know. So gamba ogu muramu wangi, you know. That's my brother-in-law. Kandi your sister-in-law. That is a sister to your spouse, or to your wife. So ogu aba muramukati. Nagamba ogu muramukati wangi. So tumalira nitugamba kandi naka, what about your stepmother? So ogu stepmother aba mukaise or mukaso. You know, that is your stepmother, you know. Stepfather ek ninget kiriyo. Inkisadure kiambura. So mwebale tumalirize ntekanazo yetu ya kirokino amabara kugonza impaka kiki mwebale nywe na Baraza Bakta TV murare kurungi musiro kurungi.
Kitara TV, Kwegesa, Kumanyisa.